So delicious. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a banana, pineapple, mango, yogurt smoothie. Okay, so as is customary, remember to like, share and comment on my video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for leaving me a comment. Tell me what you think about my videos. Okay guys, thank you so much for your support. Remember to follow me on all social at Booth. Alright, so I have here as my ingredients some frozen banana, frozen mango chunks, and some frozen pineapple, and my yogurt. I have some milk, ice cube, and I have my whipped cream, and my blender is right here. So let's add the fruits to the blender. These are the pineapple chunks, organic, whatever. Same for the mango chunks. I don't know if I was in Jamaica, I would have gotten real mangoes, yes. So, yogurt, I tried to freeze it because I don't want it to spoil. So this is frozen, so I'm just gonna add some. Okay. Add a glass of milk, and this is the almond silk. That's a full glass because everything is frozen. When everything is frozen, you don't need more liquid. Just gonna add those eyes still, and then I'm gonna cover and blend. Blender is struggling, so I need more liquid. So let's add some more milk. And there you have it guys, my smoothie is ready. I'm gonna glass it. So delicate, so pretty. This is so tasty and it's very cool because everything was frozen, so it is so nice. Even the yogurt was frozen. So delicate, so nice. Go ahead and try it, guys. Go ahead and try the smoothie. I'm sure you're going to love it. Okay. Now add some whipped cream to it. So the time is so hot and I can't stop drinking this one because it's so cool and it's so nice. So nice, guys. Go ahead and love it. Okay, guys, it's very tasty, very nice. It's good for the entire family. If you love banana, if you love pineapple, if you love mango, this is the smoothie for you. Okay. So delicious. So remember to like, share and comment on my videos. Tell me what you think about this nice delicate smoothie. Yes, go ahead and try it, guys. You will love it. Okay, so until my next video, bye.